So let's say, because it's a keeper as we brand.
Yes.
Let's say I've got my ordinary white t-shirt. I don't like. I
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Sanibona bafethu igama lami nguSanele ngihamba noJobe as always bafethu welcome to i-podcast kaSanele namhlanje sine guest special kakhulu so bafethu ngobanibona nje into zakhe lezi but uzosichazela igama lakhe uMandisa sawubona Mandisa
Sanibona njani?
siyaphila njani
Hayi siyaphila nathi.
okay right okay siyabonga ukuthi nje usinike isikhathi sakho siyazi ukuthi busy siya appreciate kakhulu ukuthi uze nathi lana sizoshutha sizotshela ama viewers ethu ukuthi ibusiness yini leyo yenzayo kwenzakalani but sicela usichazele ukuthi ubani uMendi usuka yaphi uzalelwe phi until kuze kube la nje chaza nje silandise before that bafethu niyazi #Red Bull sponsor sethu ukuthi siphuze nje kahle bafethu sikwazi ukuthi sishoot ama episode sibe nama wings #Red Bull bafethu danko
Okay, so uMandisa intombazanyana nje yase Fryhead.
dank NV
Abaya ise Fryhead.
yebo
But ngikhulelile eMlazi, khuliswa uma unda Woodlands Primary like eThekwini.
oh yeah
I then moved to a boarding school. I think I was in grade 4 or 5.
okay
Free State, ngafuna boarding school, and then when I went to high school,
when I put in school mixile noma just girls
it was mixed.
oh
It was
okay
mixed, and then
Yes.
high school I also went to a boarding school.
Showcase.
Eshowe, it was also mixed until grade 11. Grade 11 ngabuya ke ngazofunda la eThekwini. Grade 11 and 12, so I completed la eThekwini Phambili High School,
okay
and then I later moved to a DUT
duties eThekwini noma eSemaritsburg
eThekwini.
all right
I moved to a DUT, and then that's where I completed a qualification in accounting.
oh okay
Yeah.
so i-qualification benza umnyama ngakho
I did a diploma. It was a 3-year diploma. And then I did my BTEC, it was 1 year. And then currently I'm doing my master's in financial accounting.
okay uhlale isikhathi singanani eFree State
It was 3 years.
oh so uyakwazi ukukhuluma isizulu
I not really, but
Yeah,
I
best.
understand that, pick up that and that.
oh okay
Yeah.
so kusize ngani ukuthi uhlale endaweni ezihlukene uhlale ngapha mhlawumbe isindawo semakhaya indawo selokishini then i-boarding school then ngapha i-city kusize kanjani nje
I'd say independence.
oh yeah
Ngifunda ukuzimela, ngihlale away from umndeni ngimncane. I was still very young.
Yeah.
And ukuya kwami boarding school ngihamba nobhuti wami, of which it was just the two of us. So
Okay.
leyo nto le yangifundisa ukuba independent, yangifundisa ukwasana nabantu basekhaya, umuntu osukunayo ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi because that time I only had him. Before in province, so it is just ukuthi okay fine nangumuntu obhekana naye nawe ukwazi ukumela if ekhaya bengithengela igrosa engaka kumele sikwazi ukungiqeda inyanga yonke.
Oh,
So leyo
okay.
nto leyo
yes
yangifundisa
from an early age
from an early age.
okay so manje mana before singena ku-business i-boarding school ikanjani ifana ne-res noma niyanakekelwa nje niyaphaka or umuntu uba nokudla kwakhe kwenzakalani e-boarding school
I-boarding boarding school is different from i-resi uyaziphatha.
yeah
Uyazilawula i-resi uyaziphatha. E-boarding school niyalawula, there's rules. Akukwazi ukuzenzela njengomathanda kwakho. There's time to wake up, there's time for study, time for what is it, breakfast, lunch or supper. Yabo nje, so there's rules. Akufani nase-resi.
okay nikadiwe nje
Siwukadiwe nje yonke into.
Ngathi sekhaya.
Like sikho kamalume.
Okay. Then njengamanje sifika kanjani la wenza ini ibhizinisi yani like because ngiyabona izinto lana I think i-diary lena then ugqoko then ngoba usichazele nje ngawona ukuthi wenza ini la.
Okay, so E-Creations by Mendelux, what we do is we personalized gifts for abantu. So it could be you want to give someone a notebook, so personalizela yona lo notebook leyo. You want ugqobo siyabona on TikTok yatrend abantu bayalotshola bayambesa.
Okay.
Nalo ugqobo olubhala isibongo sakho yabo. So that's what we do. La we have i-plague. I-plague leyo uyakwazi ukuyifaka isibongo sakho nethakazelo.
Oh, okay.
Isithombe la. And then write
Okay.
something to umuntu osuke uzomgifta yona.
All right.
Ama-glass la personalized.
Okay.
Inkomishi zethu akwazi ukufaka isithombe sakho, uyakwazi ukubhala mhlawumbe isithakazelo somuntu, isibongo somuntu.
Oh, isithombe naso.
Yes. We have lamakomishi lawa, bathanda kakhulu abantu lamakomishi lawa.
Okay.
Lamakomishi
Mana la lokho kufama smoothies.
yeah.
Noma okunye lokho.
La you can put your smoothie. La,
Oh, okay, okay.
Lamathanda la personalized.
All right.
La for your coffee or tea la.
Okay, ekuseni.
Yeah, mna.
Oh, inani esivalo.
Lesi sivalo lesi.
Awayibona umkomishini esivalo. Hey, bukani mafethu Ndlovu. Ogatsheni bayabenyathi. Okay, ubusonga busombuluko mpongo. Kazingelwayo nina bakwaNdlovu. Sidlele ekhaya. Okay.
Yabona ke le komishi rights cause lesivalo ukwazi ukusenza ne-cost.
Okay.
Inkomishi mase uyenza deposit ubeke la uyenza i-cost esivalo.
Manje iyakwazi ukutrap hit mhlawumbe itiyela kakhulu last long alishisa or it's just for track or mhlawumbe
I think iyenzana lokho.
Uyafaka nje itiye lakho uliphuze.
kaya trap hit
Masifuna utrap hit noma sifuna ukuhlalisa ukubanda sithenga leya flask leya e-grey. I-flask le grey if ufakisayo iyahlalisa ishisa.
Oh,
Ufake
okay.
ibanda yakwazi ukuhlalisa up to 12 hours ibanda.
Nayo customize la.
Nayo ngiyacustomize ngiyibhala nje whatever ufuna ngiyibhale yona. Ngibhalela yona. And then we have nalama class ke la ufuna ukuphatha amanzi emsebenzini or
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Uyafaka la.
Okay. But into ebalekile ukuthi i-customize ibe negama lakho.
Yes, it doesn't have to be anything osuke
Okay.
ufuna nje sikubhalele yona.
All right.
Sikubhalela yona. And sinokunye ke futhi singakuphathanga nje kahle kahle sidila siya brand.
Okay.
Ngisho ngathiwa yini even ama t-shirts siyawenza, we do ama aprons nje. We've moved to even the pens, we brand your pens.
Okay.
Podcast ngaba nama pen abhalo podcast.
Okay. No, we have to do that.
Yeah.
We have to do that.
keep
Enye into engiyifunayo mina le ama mic. Yabo lento le engathi u4 corner la.
No, yeah,
Yes, sizoyifaka la kuma mic ethu even a branding but it's something that we have to talk about. Then ugqoko lo noma i-tray noma ugqoko.
This is a tray.
Oh, okay.
No ugqoko lolu
Lokudlela, yes.
yabo. Nalo sinalo ugqoko i-tray lela libolekisi.
Oh, angeke uziboleke.
Ngeke uyosebenzisa cha. Ela kabumede nje la kabumede.
Now amaplate now.
Ama-plate asikakabi-ke.
Oh, okay.
And then siba nama-phone case. Phone case akwazi ukuyifaka isithombe sakho, uyakwazi ukubhala i-message, anything nje. Abo ekuwena ukuthi uthanda ukwenzani. Ama-key holder siyawenza anesithombe or just igama. It's up to you ukuthi usuke uthanda ini ngaleso sikhathi. But nje Mendelux senza a lot of things, mostly personalized.
Mina I think i-right le yebo ngabo, especially if uku relationship because mawuthi i-relationship ayisenzi uyithatha uyayibeka uyoqondana futhi uthola omunye ugatshe. Ngiyamthola omunye ugatsheni.
Angilulanga kodwa ithemba lululanga.
Ubuyela back la ufike khona.
Nokuvela ubuyele straight.
Usuzogudla nogatsheni nje.
Straight.
Ngizomthola kodwa ngiyayibeka ukuthi hayi ugatsheni ngizomthola. Azobuya. Okay, so nesikhathi singanani wenza le business? Ibizwa ngani business le oyenzayo le?
So igama le business lethu it's Creations by Mandelax.
Okay.
So
Okay, key holder there.
yes, that's a key holder.
Ngathi siyanda nayi lokhonje. Nayi i-key holder. Ngiyazi ukuthi kodwa nje nayi key holder. UNdoris uba uNdoris.
Shuthi umuntu obe odi key holder.
Oh, okay. UNdoris then wakamngadi. Oh, mhlawumbe sizothi siyanda mngadi. Okay. No, imalini lokhonje.
U-R8.
Okay guys, ngoba sithi u80 manje. Akusho ukuthi mosubuka le video le ngo2020 bese ufika uzothenga ngo30 guys, come on. So okwamanje. Yeah, okwamanje ulokhona.
Inflation.
Cha, I like this one. It's simple as simple kamnandi. I like this one. I like this one. Okay.
So Buza, how strong is the quality of it's wood, no?
Yes.
That you use.
I
So
like this one, yes.
can it withstand imvula, all the natural hazards? You know, let's say for example, keyhole,
Yeah.
net imvula, long lasting.
I just
Okay, so it left because it's wood. Obviously, if izonethwa izongena amanzi angeke ilaste isikhathi eside. But if nje uyisebenzisa nje mhlawumbe ingangena amanzi, mhlawumbe ingahuzungi nani, it's for keys. Yabo, it's for keys. So uyakwazi ukuyilasta nje. I've had mine since I think it was last year May.
Yeah.
And I'm still using it. Ayinalutho nje. Yabo, izoba nakho phela ukuguga because iyasebenza but isa right.
mana utholakala kephi? Masifuna ukuthenga lezi zinto ngoba thina siyayithanda lezi zinto, masifuna ukuthenga sitholaphi?
Okay, so I'm on Instagram as Creations by Mandelax, on
Yes.
TikTok, Ngu Mandelaine, and also on Facebook as Creations by Mandelax.
Okay. No, all right. Sizwa display. Sasifuna ukuthola oMandelax abarocks display nje kahle iprofile and link ama-link so ku-description yethu so that uma ufuna nje uzoya kwi-link description yethu click uzomthola uMandelax. Then kuthatha isikhathi singanani ukudeliver lese mhlawumbe ngisempangeni or ngise-Vryheid because wena la eThekwini ngi-order then kuthatha isikhathi singanani ukuthi ifike into zami?
Okay, so for our orders, in Njengamanje we have a waiting period of 5 working days.
Thanks.
If you place an order, you need to wait to 5 working days, and then your order is ready for a collection or which is in Korea. So if you're not in Durban on the 5th day, siyal Korea order lakho, 1 to 3 days Korea wethu.
Oh, okay. Khona umbuzo bubuza?
Yeah, no, ngisebuza la Miss Mary. I want to find out ukuthi okay, you said you studied accounting, pass and then as an ASB Tech, you know. From there, how did all of this come about? In transition from accounting to becoming an entrepreneur and starting
Kwenzakalani?
yini driving factor or mhlawumbe ufuna i-gift for i-boyfriend ngicabanga ukuthi uzongezani ngicabanga how qale kanjani, you know, what motivated?
Okay, so for me now with business, I've always been umuntu odayisayo. If you know me from high school, ngidayisa i-Dick Sweetie, nama smoothies. If you know me from Rez and Triton, ngidayisa ama-spookies, ama-flyers, ama-pimple.
I remember phezulu.
So umuntu yabo odayisayo uthandayo ukwenza imali yabo. So 2022 bengasebenzi. So the time ngingasebenzi bengifuna into ezongilethela imali. So ngifuna ukufind out yini engizoyenza just ukuthi the time ngisabheka umsebenzi kwazi ukuthi ibingeniseni imali. And then I started selling izitsha.
Okay.
nama-plain trays. So mangidayisa ke bengiphusha ke it wasn't easy starting a business nje from scratch, especially
Yes.
online. It's not easy. Marketing a business, it's difficult, but bengiphusha. So ekuqaleni ekungeneni kwami nje kwi-branding kuthe last year I'd find a lot of people bethi how Mandisa owa engrave ama-tray because siyawathanda ama-tray akho but sithanda ebhaliwe yabo.
Oh,
And
okay.
then like looking ngidla a lot of people were coming hayibo futhi wabhala and then ngaqala ngenza i-research ukuthi ngingabhala kanjani lama-tray lawo and then ngizama ukuthola abantu abakwenzayo and people gatekeep.
Vele information khohlwa.
Okay, so ngiqale ke I use TikTok a lot. Ukuthi basebenza kanjani if you engrave labhala kanjani.
Yes.
And then ke I did my research, ngathenga umshini woku-engraver.
Oh,
And then I started ke engraving ama-tray. And then when I started engraving ama-tray, kwaya ngakhula, I added key holders, I added
Showcase.
inkomishi, as kuya ayibo ngagcina sengithanda ukuthi lento leyo ukupersonalize izinto like ngine-interest kuyona. I bought another machine yokubhala these cups lama glass lawa yabo nje ngakhula into branding yabo and personalizing kwaya nokuba less ekudayiseni izitsha because the demand was more this side. So ngingasho ukuthi ke ngiqale kanjalo ke this business.
Yazi enye into engirealizayo, especially izinto ezizenzayo like mina njengamanje ngishaya content le lokhunja AI lokhunja technology nje ukuthi wenza kanjani technology. Yazi lento lena uma sengithatha ukuyibheka lento le yaqala kudala but ukuthi mose ingane into awuyinaki yabo, especially ekhaya ukuthi ifoni inenkinga futhi nami ngaze ngiyithinte ifoni thiwa inikeni usanele ngiyenze iPhone yami ayisaringi wara ngiyicofoza
Izinto ezisimple.
izinto simple. Umuntu methi yazi ifoni yami i-laptop yami inenkinga ngithi kodwa ngizelaphi indaba zama-laptop but ngigcine sengiyenza namanje khona umunye ilokhu i-guest ebisho ukuthi like ukushutha kade yaqala nje incane but because mose emncane you don't know ukuthi lento engiyenza it's a profession. And once ukhulile you revisit that thing uyenze professionally. I think that's where we lacking South Africa and nathi masingabazali kumele ingane umuntu ayibona ukuthi iyenza into noma kuthiwa iyadansa, that's a profession.
Yes.
You have to develop that person because umuntu nje phesheya uma ukuthi uyadansa they take you to esikoleni sokudansa nje ibe professional nje from the start. Nathi sinazo izinto sinamakhono from a younger age ubona ukuthi no yazi ngayenza lento le but at the time ngangiyenza nje like just nje ukuthi ngideside sweet imva lapho ngithole leyo mali yokukhera or ngenze understand ukuthi business le wazi ukuthi mina nje ngiphushela nje i sweet.
Manje singasho ukuthi mhlawumbe ithalent lakho leli
ithalente lakhe kanjani?
mhlawumbe ukudayisa noma
Business person, entrepreneur, yes.
given the talent.
Yes.
Yeah, just not talent.
Yes, it's a
It
talent.
doesn't have to be because normally there's this thing ukuthi talent into yabo
Sports. Ukuphila kahle talent isiphiwe, it's a gift.
Yeah.
Yes, more people ukuthi wena you will be an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
You will find way ukuthi ube entrepreneur even though noma uthi uthanda ntothi wenza something but leto le ilikibuya ithi hayibo.
Yeah,
Hayibo.
that's true.
Wenzakala enye into engifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi okay, une accounting ngapha, yabo. Ekusiza kanjani accounting because oyifundele when it comes to business khona la ekusiza khona usho ukuthi yabona ke iyangisiza le qualification yami la yanginceda banthe mhlawumbe ngifunda ngabe mhlawumbe ngizangishaya inamba khona la ekusiza khona i-qualification yakho or education nje when you're running your business.
Kakhulu. I think if it wasn't for your qualification yami, the understanding yami, your business understanding yami, SMEs, because even researching inside masters on SMEs, so understanding yami ngakho konke ngabe business lami I don't think lila likhona namhlanje.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because one, I know how to manage my finances, discipline.
Dank.
Yabo thini yonke imali engenayo simali yami, imali
business.
yabo ukuthi nanokuthi okay fine ngimanage nje nekutheni nini suppliers create relationships leyo nto leyo qualification played a huge role.
And even to be internet savvy ukwazi ukusesha ukuthi yini lena nani so nje all in all into esisho ukuthi kubalekile ukufunda noma kuthiwa wenza ini noma kuthiwa uyashutha noma kuthiwa wenza ukufunda nje nkosami siyacela bafethu isikole sibalekile because even this podcast is not easy man. We want both staff must figure la sisebenzi and uyabona if uyayifanda into lesemhlabeni this time uzothenga umshini next time mhlawumbe uzothenga ama plate ozowafaka lo machine lo manje uyafika la lezi zinto ezihambiselana then you have to read ukuthi lo machine uthatha into kanjani. It's like uthenga iPhone then bese uthenga i-charge uthi uyafika i-charge iyona iyangena but ayufaka umlilo ngale ndlela then so you have to understand ukuthi okay ikhipha umlilo ongaka accept umlilo ongaka then you have to konke lokho kudinga isikole ne-mic lena audio interface ama-mic awafani khona i-mic yaphandle khona i-mic yasendlini khona i-mic ethatha wonke umsindo yabo so you have to read those things get acquainted knowledge ukuthi kwenzakalani lights everything nama-lights awafani even i-camera uthi athenga camera yokushoot it's camera yokushoot wona wazuthi camera even i-micro ilokhunja i-memory card khona memory card yokushuthi ithombe mina bengayazi ke leyo nto le khona memory card yokushuthi isithombe khona memory card so i-education bafethu ngeke uzibalekele esikhathini samanje like ibalekile education kakhulu and cela ukubuza la as growing up as a woman, as a black woman, as a black child yini eke challenge empilweni yakho to the extent usho ukuthi yabo manje umandisa is being tested but wagcina usuyinqobile but wazi ukuthi ayo lento le iyangiphusha to my limits but wagcina ukwazi ukuyi-overcome.
Yeah. Okay. I think ngithatha ukubheka from a young age ngisalungane ngisakhula.
Yes.
Ukukhuliswa as single parents it's never easy. Ngikhuliswa uma eshizile naye ehlanganisa.
Yes.
Uma as a businesswoman naye umuntu webusiness. So you know with business it's not always there.
Yeah, never.
So for me na khuleni kwami uma like besipusha nje. Epusha thini bezama ukuthi go to good schools foundation yakhe ibe right. And then one of the challenges engicabanga namhlanje ukuthi yangenza lo muntu engiyena when I had to change schools at grade 11 time mhlawumbe like a month ngahlala ekhaya ngingafundi at all because umzali wayenganayo imali ukuthi akhokhele esikoleni sengixoshiwe manje athiwa no nesikhathi singakhokhi so ekhaya and then ngashintsha isikoleni ukuze ubuya kwami ngizela eThekwini ngizoqeda grade 11 so leyo nto leyo yangishintsha kakhulu yabo uyafika esikoleni abantu kade befunda wena uselele ngemuva yabo so lento angifundisa ukuthi like always try to work my way to the top yabo and even ukufika kwami nakhona ngafike ngaphasa ngadlula abantu babekade bekhona esikoleni yabo so leyo nto le yangenza ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi because nginefear yokuthi ngizosalela emuva yabo namhlanje I still have that fear. I don't think it's something I've overcome yabo because ngisaba ukuthi
under pressure nyana
what if it fails, what if kwenze ngendlela engifisa ukwenza ngayo yabo because this other time ngikhuluma noma ukuthi yazi ukuthi into zami zihlezi zisalele emuva yabo ngisho ngathatha mhlawumbe kwenzeka into la anqona ukuthi mhlawumbe let's say kukhishwa mhlawumbe igroup namagama abantu anqona ukuthi elamandi how sikhohliwe lapho it's something I'm used to that's so isikhathi
kuzokwenzeka
eyami into ihlezi izosala yabo and leyo nto le into ihlezi ngilimaza ukuthi hayibo why mina hlezi kanje but into esengaza mina ukuthi ngi-accept ukuthi okay kufanele ezinye izinto nje ezenzakalayo ngoba so indawo ehlukene but hlezi wenzeka into efanayo yabo so I think one of izinto esingabhekana nazo nje enzima engibhekana nazo ukuthi I fear of failing or ngasho kanjalo.
yazi enye into mina that I realize yazi nami nginaleyo nto leyo yabona mina mhlawumbe nomunye umuntu we can start a channel for example uthe ukuthi ngingehla kwalowo muntu loyo but ukuthi yena into zakhe zizohlangana fast ngoba kwenzakalani but mina into engayirealize ngami izinto zami zikhona but the only thing I have to work hard for them. That's what I realize about myself. Even to register my res, sihambe siba 5. Feel mina kuthiwa hayi unenkinga uyoclearance wenza ngani mina hawu kanjani laba sihamba nabo sonke sifonde uNSFAS ngiyodrya ngithi bafethu hambani ngizonifica res ngizonifonela sayodrya manje ngiyafika online izinto zami nje nami senga-understand ukuthi zizolunga but I have to work hard nje angazi kwenzani yes
they don't come easy.
kabi
ngathi ifana nemali futhi sometimes imali izoba delayed because maybe the universe knows ukuthi ngiyaniyaza manje 100,000 uzosanga so manje yeah but this time when the time comes so at least you're so content so as it's okay prioritize kahle ngoba uyabo usushapekile.
Okay. So so into eyenzakalayo la nakho uyagraduate nazi ithombe nani kusajatshula ukuthi okay I guess uyothola umsebenzi manje so nangu wena usushaya u10 sowenza ibusiness how was the reception ekhaya ukuthi senze ibusiness thina silendela ukuthi nangu usungena ku corporate nayi charts is accounted yena nangu manje sesikhandela ama tray manje kwenzakalani how was the reception ekhaya back supporta noma kwenzakalani?
So mina ke ekhaya I was lucky uma umuntu business akamazumlungu.
Oh okay.
My dad wayedumile stimulant esamakinati so
Okay.
ngamazumlungu wayesebenza.
Okay.
So I remember okay so ngithe ma ngiqala ibhizinisi lami bengisebenza.
Okay.
So it's not like ngathola umsebenzi ngisaqhubeka 2022 ngidayisa. So uthe last year I told my mom ukuthi ma yayeka manje mina umsebenzi ngifocus on business. And uma wangitshela day 1 wathi umana usamncane usafunda grade 1. Umuntu mayekubuza ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini you always said I want to be a successful businesswoman.
Wow.
So njengoba usuthatha le ndlela le you have my blessings.
It's showcase.
So for me ke ngaba naleyo ndlela leyo ukuthi ekhaya nje it was full support from umzali yabo and anibanga nenkinga kanjalo.
Yeah, enye into that's mina ngayirealize on experience because ngiyakhumbula during my BTech I was in incubation now banye abantu abenza ama business because ngine business idea and ngiyakuvela kuyona business idea yami and izinto zathembisa ukuthi zolunga so ngihamba ama business workshops ama conference but at the time ngibroke yabo I ngarealize that yabo lento le yokuhustlisha ubroke it does not always work because in order for your business to operate kumele ube right now ungabe desperate to make sales usukwazi nokuba creative yabo ungathi hey mangenzanga lento ngeke ngosikhokhe rent no you have to find something stable then upushe by the time business lakho likhula usuzokwazi ukubona okay demand isiningi ngapha let me switch from 9 to 5 ngibuye ngapha yabo.
So what you saying ukuthi uma ufisa ukuqala ibusiness ungagagamela ukuthi same time ushiya umsebenzi wakho ufuna
pursue ungayenzi. No, don't do that.
To open in business you take a risk.
Man, I'm not talking about business kuphela, even an artist for example music is art yabo is something umoya so uzo release kanjani ulambile
Uzophisa ngendlala phela.
You need to be at your best because abantu they don't buy music, they don't support you because ulambile.
Yeah.
Bakuze studio yazamule. Bafuna umsebenzi wakho. So you must get, even if umsebenzi wangama weekends. Get it during the week uyazi ukuthi you try ukuthi ubhizi uyasebenza nani. Even abadlali bebhola uthola ukuthi umuntu waya kuma trials because walova emsebenzini washaya notes. Yabo bafike bamthatha lapha akazange ukuthi ehlale ethi mina ngizolinda ama trials ngoSeptember but from September nini ulambile angithi you have to get something and enye into like from a background, from a disadvantaged background, uma usufundile wa graduate mina ekhaya babengayizwa lento yebusiness yabo and ngabona nami ukuthi this thing le izokwenza ukuthi izinto clash yabo because ekhaya sebe expect ukuthi kumele ngiyosebenza mina ngapha I'm crazy with indaba yebusiness. I want to do this, lento iyadlala emqondweni wami ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza lento but ngavele ngaba realistic ngathi okay ekhaya bangidinga nami ngiyasidinga yabo so let me ngihambe ngiyothinta i-CV yami ngithi ukurelaxa kancane kwebusiness yabo because kwebusiness ungafika wena uthi nayi product nathi ngifuna ukuyiphusha manje ngifaka manje no kusamele ufunde about the business, ufunde about the clients, ufunde nawe now you need to grow as a person because i-product engaqala ngayo ukuthi mase i-developer you scratch it ukuthi akuseyona manje uthi let me do this so at the time you have to eat yabo so kubalekile ukuthi uma uhustlish don't just uye kumsebenzi or just go straight yabo thola something ukwazi ukumanage umsebenzi lo osebenza kuona then bese uyaqhubeka you branch out
so manje so i-target audience yakhe ne-target group abantu abavamisa ukuthenga kuwena kakhulu ile Sundays are for livers type of people or couples or
bana batargeting
females kakhulu abantu besilisa abantu i-target audience.
Okay, so ngingasho ukuthi i-target audience it's anyone who wants to gift someone. It doesn't even have to be someone who wants to gift. Now you can get yourself a personalized glass, but 90% of the people who buy from us are women.
Okay.
And mostly they're gifting the loved ones. So
It's why someone was woman wami mina
siyabona mama Jobe zakhala akasekho
yeah, so most abantu abathenga kuthina most abantu besifazane bakhona abantu besilisa but it's not as much as abantu besifazane. Yeah.
Shout out to the females out there.
Okay, njengamanje on a day nje uhlelele yini othanda ukuyenza ama-passion ama-hobbies akho keep up busy nganje side business like muthi uhlelele yona on a regular day ama-passion akho hobbies oyithandayo wenza nje umuntu onjani?
Okay, now I'd love to say bengu moto kanjani. At the moment I don't have time.
Okay, yeah.
At the moment I really don't have time. I'm at work Monday to Sunday, 6:30 every day I'm at work. So but into engithandayo ukuyenza I'm an outgoing person. I love being outside. So ngiyakubona like going out for lunch and but ngithanda like activities that will keep me busy. Could be like hiking, something just will keep me busy. It's something I love doing.
Okay.
But at the moment,
busy, occupied.
So, Andy, so with your product and your range, ziyatholakala izitolo, like what's your goal and vision for business lab now? Is it to supply shops to like where do you
okay, so njengoba nje si-creations by Mentalux, i-goal yethu njengamanje, something that we're looking forward to doing, sifuna ukusuppliela ama-company, could be small companies, it could be big companies. Siba-personalizele, it could be mhlampe, let's say banama-induction awards, ama-ruler, ama-notebook, yabo branded by ligama laleyo nkampani leyo. Siba-providele, mhlampe it could be caps, it could be t-shirts inkampani, siba-brandele, like bulks, yabo.
Ama-pens.
Sibenzele kanjalo, izinto lezi esiyibhekayo manje ekutheni, this is what now we want to move to. Like full branding for companies, like approach companies. No, sicela uyenze lezinto ey'kanje.
Or benzela bona. You come with mhlampe ogumede. I was thinking ukuthi if you wanted to branch out to the business lakho with branded sayings. Just kuzoba nama-ray, ama-rows of ogumede, osole, ondlovu. Zonke iy'bongo nje kumele kube nama.
Yeah, enye into ke esenza ukuthi singabi gifts ahleli with different like surnames,
Yes.
because kuyenza ogumede bangafani.
Oh.
Uzofika wena ugumede mhlawumbe womunye kanti omunye ugumede womunye, thina sihleli nalo gumede lo wena ufuna lo munye.
Okay.
That's why kube ukuthi nje uyasho ukuthi okay ngifuna ugumede ukwakho sibenze lo.
Noma sethi uDlamini uno-H omunye awunayo.
Yes, yeah.
So mana nakhu nginogqoko ekhaya angalishela ubaba. Ngiyalithanda lelo gqoko. Ngifuna ungibhalele, ungakwazi ukungibhalela igqoko lami without ukuthi ngize ngilithenga kuwena. Ngifuna leli lasekhaya leli lababa. Ngililethe kuwena ungibhalele, ungakwazi ukwenza njani? Ngiyakwazi ukwenza njani?
Into le esizoyi-introduce now that we're looking on getting a bigger machine.
Oh.
Because ngenzeka ukuthi unogqoko olukhulu and umshini wethu mncane. Ngeke usuke ugqoko olungaka uzobhala ispace esincane kangaka.
Okay.
Libe likhulu.
Oh,
So something
lingana.
that we're considering. Also, it depends. Ungenzeka ukuthi ugqoko lakho i-material ayifani. Sithi siyalifaka kumshini wethu
Ube nenkinga.
ishise noma yabo ungaphumi njengaleli oyibona thina siyidayisa. So
Oh.
into le ibisasenza ukuthi umuntu mayethi ufuna ukufika nento yakhe simbhalele sibe skeptical. Because uzoletha uwallet wakho uze sik-engravele wona ama-initials uvelusha. Yabo so satha phi ku-wallet wakho ukuthi ubeGucci so into le bese sazama ukuthola indlela ukuthi how can we work around it.
Okay.
Manje ungakwazi is it embroidering or engraving?
So this is engraved.
The
Yeah, the tray is engraved. This is engraved.
So you said the tray is engraving.
It's engraved.
So let's say, because you say it's a keeper as we brand.
Yes.
Let's say I've got my ordinary white t-shirt. I don't fire on Nike.
I
don't have to know.
Hey, that's what is too far.
Okay, without any naming brands, but I was on fire brand names. But okay, without. Request.
Isibongo sakho negama lakho.
So, Mandisa, can you share maybe a specific moment that you consider it as a turning point empilweni yakho ukuthi after this thing yenzeka my life took a different turn or yashintsha yabo i-turning point nje empilweni yakho kusho ukuthi okay kwenzeka kanje then ngase mina ngithi or anganoma uyawuzwa ngizwa.
Yo, so I think ukuthatha isinqumo sami last year.
Yes.
So kushiya umsebenzi. It wasn't an easy decision. You don't just wake up and say
Yeah.
ngiyayeka emsebenzini because ukuya kumsebenzi uyazi 25
Yebo.
whether ngize ka-5 noma ngisebenze kade ngi-productive 8 hours but i-25 you understand. So ukuyeka umsebenzi was a difficult decision for me, but it was the best decision for me. because ever since ngaye kumsebenzi last year ipilo ngaphindana yafana.
Thank.
Yabo,
This was brave, yo.
it was a brave decision, but a difficult one also. So ukushiya ngafocus on business. Ibhizinisi lami likhule ngendlela esimanga after that, and ngiyabona ukuthi futhi lisakhula. Yabo, because I've moved from working from home. I opened indawo in town central where everyone can access leso story sami leso. Even kwakhona nje ukufika kwami, we've been busy njengoba ngisho 7 days a week. We've been busy. So ngingasho ukuthi nje ukushiya umsebenzi for me was the turning point.
Yeah. So abanye I think abantu mhlawumbe ongaba abanganakekile ongaya kubona uyazenza izitsha.
I still sell izitsha.
Okay, ngisho ukuthi ubhale ilokho nje amagama kanje.
Yes, ngiyakwazi ukusibhala.
Oh, okay. I think you should approach labo mama labo basemarank abadayisayo batshela ukuthi brand into zabo mabephakela abantu izinto ezikanjalo. I think they will like that something because they are not doing that and it's untapped market. So sisho kuqala lento musana uhamba. Yeah, George, it's 18 May manje 10. Yeah, please uhambe. I think ngizosebenzisana kahle nabo because they will love something like this. Yabo, they will love something like this. Maningi ngamarenke la. Maningi and uzoshare nenamba yakho makuthi kufesinye then yabo yes Durban Stage MCA market you name them, you know them yabo ukuthi nje umama nje abe nesitsha sakhe nje yabo futhi wena uyazazi izitsha ungabatshengisa icatalog yakho batshela ukuthi uzoba nembrandela. I think ileyo market mina ngiyibonayo njengamanje nase Durban Stage uma usuyilungisile lento esiqeda ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi uzoba lokho nje loqo yes ngoba nemakhamba bananani then you go and talk to them, you will find something there. I'm telling you'll find something there. Enye into that you should do Mandis, use internet. Yazi ku-internet you make money ungakadayisi lutho njengamanje just you introduce into zakho, okay yini lokho then you post it. Facebook you have so much money, pays more than ulokho YouTube at the moment. So nje yabo nje you do one video uyayenza and I know you do your research ukuthi abantu abenza ama-reels ngama-product benza kanjani, then you thatha leyo video leyo you post TikTok, Instagram, Facebook you have to make sure ukuthi you have personal page. Yabo so wenza imali ngapha nangapha and YouTube as well. So khona abantu abangeke beze beyithenge into but uthola ukuthi they will support you ngokubuka into zakho, they like indlela you tell the story and but yeah you have to do that. There's so much money on the internet, you will make sales ungadayisi lutho yabo. So ungarely ukuthi mina ngidayisela lokhu go to the internet, talk about your business, even talk about your challenges yabo, make it interesting. Kwazi ukuthi okay mhlawumbe this week mhlawumbe ngolesithathu I'm telling my audience ukuthi there's something eyenzekile kwibusiness lami, then mhlawumbe on Monday ngiyabatshela ukuthi okay bafethu ngenza lokhu namhlanje nani ngicela nisuggest isibongo ngimele ngisenze nani yabo. Keep it engaging. Internet is so much ubhale phansi because mongayibhali phansi lento le izokudida because in social media it's demanding. You have to post like
consistent.
Yes, you have to post consistent, but nje social media makes so much money. You make so much money. Yabo, so uyenze nje leyo social media then uyazi ukuthi ubashaya ngapha estradini ukhona na internet njengoba ngichazele ifana nebusiness, give it time.
Yeah.
ungathi angifuna ukwenza imali manje understand ukuthi okay this is ufana ukuthi linye business lelo yabo give it time be consistent yabona into eyenzakalayo yabo thini mina first time ngenza ama reels hey shama reels then people knew ukuthi ayingathi lo muntu lento se serious ngayo then kwehla upost really like yeah edit a reel like 4 hours ngiyashutha ngiya-edit 4 hours then you find out solama likes awu-2 and lapho before we post yashutha yabo manje I'm hitting 10,000k lutho but-ke we have to keep going mfethu keep going ukuthi kwenzakalani work because into oyithandayo yabo yes yeah so nje mina ngifisela inhlanhla uqhubeke uyenze lento leyo uhambe erenke futhi-ke maningi ngamarenke nangale emakhaya you can go usho ukuthi namhlanje senza ukuthi sifuna lezi zinto lezi because thina mina nje ngiyathanda ukudla semarenke but sengiyabona manje ukuthi yabo uthi kubathatha bathi
Level up.
ya level up kancane yabo yes mhlawumbe neclient nje bayazi ama client abo mina banganje umlambo say kuze umlambo phakele lapha esitsheni samlambo
Yeah.
yabo ngijabula lokho nami ukuthi yabo yes mhlawumbe into kubhale ukuthi mlambo then bese kuba nelogo yakhe yabo is simple things then enye into engifuna ukuyibuza then ukhula ekhona ama role models abantu abobukela kubona ezingane ukhula ngaze ngizothi kuyiphi ke because ule Free State usemlazi usefred mongekho lapho se boarding school bakhona abantu abobukela kubona
So, I was somehow a confused child.
yes
Namhlanje uyavuka ubukela kulo uthanda mawusakhula futhi usukubuka impilo yomuntu then uzibone uphila abo leyo mpilo leyo yabo
yes
but I think ngokuya kwesikhathi like it will change on like people that I look up to aspire to be so yeah, I can't really give like a specific person but
yes
like something that they have in common bonke labantu labo it was independence yabo like hardworking woman ukuyibona bengibuka ngithi nami I want to be like that one day ngifuna ukuzimela ngibe nento zami
okay
so I'd say
all right then sisiyela ngasekugcineni kwama questions question yokugcina then we go to ama games ethu then ku bucket list yakho kukhona nje kulonyaka because our bucket list nje i priority ukuthi sisebenze nama entrepreneurs nama professional like you siba expose ukuthi bafethu there is black women there is women, there is youth, there is young people who are doing this. Please support them. This is what we want to do. And it's yakuthanda ukwenza lokho and we want to work with abantu abaphushayo because we must push abantu abafana nani sizoyisiza economy because ilo business yakhe izokhula then you will need to hire more people ukuthi wenze you need to have ama branches izinto ezikanjalo yabo then you are giving back to the community ngokuthi uqasha abantu so that is our priority ukuthi sisebenze nabantu abanamabhiziness nama-entrepreneurs nama-professionals so wena eyakho i-bucket list ithini?
Thank you. I think it's we're continued. But for me, I've had a lot of people come to me and say, Mandisa, siyathanda umsebenzi wakho.
Yes.
Wenza kanjani? I'm interested. I'd love to start. So I've started. I hosted my first masterclass 2 weeks ago.
Yes, I saw that post. Yes, yeah.
So it was bucket list meaning ifundisa abantu umsebenzi. Siyabona unemployment ingana South Africa. So njengamanje nje ngizoyenza tour next month. I'm going to Joburg. Ngiyohosta khona class where I'm just going to teach people skill wenza kanjani lokho. Imshini umshini osebenzisayo yabo nje yonke leyo nto
For isikhathi singana negoli
It's going to be for 2 days. I'm going to be in Joburg for 2 days.
Because yesterday I was talking to my old friend use Pretoria, so uthi ufuna ukuzwa kwi-podcast, so now I thought okay, let's have a Lokonja, a Pretoria branch, but angazi, but we have to work together in future. Uma uza we document the thing in that sort of entrepreneurs, yes. So that's my party. You post it to your social media because ngiyafuna. I want you to get to social media. Yes, it will help you cool. So but ke kusamele sihlale siplane kahle izinto yabo. Yes, so more, I think uzohamba this time, but next time more ukuthi khona ilawo yakhona, then we plan around ukuthi senze njani sifike mhlawumbe uyafundisa siyashutha izinto ezikanjalo yabo. Yes, nathi sikwazi ukuthola labo bantu labo. Yes, shama interview. I think it's something that we have to work around them. Then so mana umbuzo kuqala lesingena kuma lokhonja ama games. Okay, ama relationships nama networking kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi wenze le business lakho? Kubalekile ukuthi wazi abantu noma ngani noma uzwe nembuzo wami?
Okay, so I wouldn't say necessarily know people, but once one get a good business, now associate yourself with people who have business.
Yes.
Yeah, well, associate with people now baba mindset efana neyakho. People who do similar things. Abantu babona ukuthi okay benza into engifuna ukuyenza but sebekhulile sebekwezinye igaba. Associate yourself with abantu abanjalo, because even with me, that I met on TikTok,
okay.
So we did like an information exchange.
Then
I went but engraving. Then I went to listening. So we're like, so how do you do this? One was like on what she's doing. So like you build a relationship, you network. Yeah, but imagine it's all about
okay. Before singena game, please once again share ilokhonja ama social media handles akho, utholakala kephi, mokuthi unestoro, i-address yakhona usharele.
Okay, so ikamale business lethu, it's Creations by Mandilux. We are on TikTok as Umendilane. We're on Facebook as Creations by Mandilux. We're on Instagram as Creations by Mandilux. And then our orders it's on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 065-984-5441. And then we also have a physical store in Durban Central West Walk, at 4th floor, room 409.
Okay, bafethu, that WhatsApp number is for business. Asifuna abantu abazoshayela lana. Serious, it's business, strictly business. How? Sinibhekile nini. Okay, on our social media streets, umuntu otrendayo is Ngizwe. Uyamazi uNgizwe uyatrenda ngoba une event namhlanje.
Kosamaphi.
Allegedly manje because sebamphika.
Ngizokuthiwa ngazi izolo nje bavule bathi nje.
Hayi sebamphika but no, it's not make sure.
Kanjani manje ngoba phela namhlanje bene event enkulu nje impela nje.
Today?
Yeah, it was supposed to be today, isn't it?
Oh yeah. How? 18.
Today.
But is that the event happening? No.
It should be.
Because the whole hype and poster.
It should be happening.
Let me check it out. Is it actually on? That was the trending. This way go. Check my socials. It was cancelled.
I saw something on Twitter that it's cancelled because I'm not being available.
What did I began?
When's it?
I think the first saga was that you can say EFF manifesto.
Yeah, and then
he also did the event of his. Now because MK it's doing its manifesto, he also wants to do his event. So imagine, it makes you think, where does it stand?
Yeah.
Who is it standing for? You know, it's like, yeah, you contradict.
Ayi ungizwe ngathi nje udansela iplate. Okay, then izinto ezitrendayo is just soccer sports.
Is the event happening?
Yeah, yenzeka. Umbone namhlanje ukhuluma no president Cyril Ramaphosa.
Ngizothi bathi
Uzobe ekhuluma uzobe address amabhengu. Ungizwe.
It's yabona ngathi nje sobala.
Suthi bese uyimanifest ANC manje leya event usemsaphi
I
umongameli.
think no ngiyabona la in the post and everything manje.
Usemsaphi manje umongameli.
Udansela ngisiphi isikhathi.
Ah,
You know, la khala khona.
he shouldn't be like that. He shouldn't.
This days money talks. If you're given isamba,
Yeah, well.
you know, and you're trying to make a living, you know,
Nakhona khona imali.
that's a hard
Awu.
Omunye umuntu otrendayo is Puff Daddy. Diddy, there's a video ereleziwe ashayo kiss.
Very to turn isn't wrong, but
Ayi izomfaka ejele lento le. Hayi izomfaka ejele ndi.
I don't know who
Did you
you're
see?
talking about.
Omazi Diddy, no Diddy. Okay, it's fine.
There's a video trending by, as per video, you know, assault, not assaulting, but
Amshaya.
physically, yeah.
Yes, amshaya.
Umuntu wakhe emkhahlela, you know, in a hotel lobby,
Okay.
you know. So he's trending for all the wrong reasons.
GBV.
What's your take on that, man?
GBV. Ngisho ngathi umuntu kone kanjani emshini yekhe. I don't think he needs to resort to that. Yeah, but singisho ukuthi yasikho isidingo sokuthi kuze kufike ekuthini we being physical.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
If ubona ukuthi ngazothi ishiya ushawa umoya mhlawumbe kuye sothi
Kodwa kodwa ngiyamthanda. Oh.
kusho ukuthi hey
Ngiyamthanda.
yeah phela ish
Uthini kulabo ke nawe, even though you serious but kodwa ngiyamthanda. Oh.
inkinga kuqala ngokushaya namhlanje akushaya sasuya
I don't understand that. Then Sundowns, they're trend number 1. What do you know about Sundowns?
angisumuntu webhola but I know Sundowns ukuthi iyawina.
Yeso kamoyelo baba. Masandawana.
You know ukuthi that Pirates player moved to Sundowns. Large.
Yes. Okay. Then now sesingena kwi game of the day then shy podcast shout out Saival. Okay, one must go. Okay, between uThozani Langa no Bhekumuzi Luthuli, who stays, who goes? One must go.
Ngizosho ukuthi why?
Yeah.
I don't have to say why.
Okay.
It's Thokozani Langa.
So Langa goes or stays?
He goes.
Kusala uBhekumuzi. Poor mall. Okay. Yeah. Both.
Iluela or Steve Maiden?
Oh my word. Definitely Luella.
Stays.
It stays. Luella stays. Yeah.
Okay. Durban or Cape Town?
I've never been to Cape Town.
Okay.
I'd love.
Okay, Durban or Jozi?
It's Durban stays.
Because going njalo. Going. Already wazothi ufuna la usenza kodwa
Ngisenza kodwa phela between yabo Durban stays.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chanel or Dior?
Yo. Dior stays. Chanel can take their bags and leave.
Business or 9 to 5?
Definitely business.
You guys are there on duty. That's inconceivable.
DUT stays.
Duty stays.
Yeah.
Chicken licking wings or KFC duck wings?
On a Sunday morning after definitely chicken licken.
Remedy.
McDonald's or Burger King?
King, McDonald's. Chili cheese fries are corner, but for the burgers, let's go to Burger King.
Oh yeah.
I know.
That's
For
my
me,
side.
the last one, wine or champagne?
Wine.
Wine.
Right.
Okay bafethu ngicela ushare i-podcast shout out uzothi igama lami ngomandisa bafethu ngiyi-podcast kasanele please like subscribe support then mhlawumbe ningaphinde usho ukuthi utholakala kephi then sisayifala.
Okay. Hi guys, igama lami nguMandisa we-Creations by Mandelax. Ngikwi-podcast kaSanele. Please do like and subscribe and go watch their YouTube videos. Also, please do check out our pages on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as Creations by Mandelax. Thank you. We out.
Bafethu we have come to the end of the episode. So nenze njalo bafethu ukuthi nasifollowa na subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out into esiyidrophayo. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram @SA_Mlambo. Danke siyabonga.
Uncle.